If you're experiencing issues with Valorant multiplayer not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Valorant server status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues and refresh your connection to the game servers. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that Valorant is updated to the latest version. Open the Riot client and check for any available updates. Download and install any updates before trying to connect again. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Test your internet connection to ensure it is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is unstable, consider restarting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 5. Disable firewall/antivirus. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus software to see if they are blocking Valorant's connection. If this resolves the issue, you may need to add Valorant to the exceptions list of your firewall or antivirus. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Valorant support for further assistance.